Freedom of speech and the political activities have always remained under threat considering the constant curbs either through the official or unofficial measures in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the civil society members in a meeting in Srinagar demanded the restorations of the Articles 370 and 35A in their original form. Working President of the Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir, Raman Bhalla, has said that the people will teach a lesson to the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming parliamentary elections. According to Kashmir Media Service, Raman Bhalla, addressing a public rally in Jammu, said that the people of occupied Kashmir are eagerly awaiting for the opportunity to teach a lesson to the BJP and its allies for letting them down and not fulfilling the promises made with them. Leh Apex Body will start a 5-day foot march near the Himachal Pradesh border on April 17th to meet the shepherds who are reportedly losing their pasture land to the major industrial projects, climate activist Sonam Wangchuk said. According to Kashmir Media Service, the LAB along with the Kargil Democratic Alliance is spearheading an agitation for the past 4 years. Government Degree College in far-off Tulel in the Gurez Valley of the North Kashmir's Bandipora district is a nightmare for the students who have been suffering for the want of the lecturers. According to Kashmir Media Service, even though the college, which started functioning in 2019, had a permanent faculty for an English lecturer and other faculty on the contract basis, no one shows up, the students from the Tulel Tehsil told the Greater Kashmir. Indian police have booked a social media user for posting content against a woman in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, taking to the microblogging site X, formerly known as Twitter, the police said police take cognizance against an individual for posting objectionable content against a woman on the social media. Body of a man who had been missing since April 8th has been recovered from the Jhelum River near Srinagar on Monday. An official said that the body of the Fayaz Ahmad Khan of the Khanka Mohalla was recovered from the Jhelum River. Indian police arrested 2 persons in the Jammu district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian forces during a cordon and search operation arrested 2 youth in Bisna area of the district.